here we go. We offer a variety of courses. First of all, it is Extreme 3D. It is a 1-year course completely. It is a combination of traditional art plus Maya, the 3D software. This runs for 12 months completely, and one has to undergo a traditional 2D training and then later go on with Photoshop subjects, and the Maya, Autodesk Maya subjects will be handled, like modeling, texturing, rigging, animation, and finally the dynamic subject will be taught to them in this 1 year. He has to do a project which will be considered as his demo reel to enter into the industry. Later, the second subject we teach is traditional 2D. It is known as complete 2D animation. This is of a 12-month course. Here the complete traditional 2D will be taught. It is called as traditional 2D or the Disney style. So one has to work out the pencil sketching totally throughout the year and make the animations also on the paper and pencil base. So here he has to do a 1-month project also, where he has to produce a footage of 2D animation. Later we have courses based on compositing, editing. So these all are the short-term courses. So advanced editing is a course where it is of 3 months totally, and he will be learning Apple Shake as the subject. Finally, I want to tell one thing is quality is the prime motto for us. We want to offer very good quality training at our institute, and we see that knowledge is important than anything else. People who are wanting to join this industry, they need to give importance for knowledge than the job, because job is something which a knowledgeable person can definitely get through. So it is very important for one individual to select this industry who is very strong at artistic skill. Visualization skills are very important. So whoever is passionate about this industry and wanting to be into the creative direction, he has to be available here. He has to take up this as a choice, and he should be passionate about this, and he should love the subject more than anything else like. So an individual who is really interested should love his field. He should fall in love with this industry and come to this industry. So that's how it is. So this should never be taken as an alternate for anything. So it is really important, because job sectors are really changing the way it is. So you could see that a lot of changes have taken place already in this 6 months of time, and you will see more changes in the industry, because only the talented and much skilled people are taken into the consideration even for interview, and finally those are the people who perform best will be given the job opportunities. So I wish everyone all the best. So select your institute properly, and even you should also love the subject what you are going to study. Just for a job's sake, please don't go helter-skelter for anything. You be very selective, be very clear, consult many people before you ink anything. That should be very good. All the best. Thanks.